Sup everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to MIDI map DJ's neural mix onto a DDJ-FLX4. The same methodology will apply to pre-stems controllers that are compatible with DJ Pro. Tap the DJ icon, then Settings, MIDI devices, then the device that's connected. In this case I'll tap on the DDJ-FLX4. Here I can customize the mapping of my controller. If I hit a button or move a fader or pot, the dedicated parameters will automatically be selected. In DJ, I have selected the option to split the stems in 2, 3, or 4. In this example, I've split it to 4 and have replaced the top 4 pads in sampler pad mode. I've pressed the first pad, hit action, scroll down to the neural mix 4 channel section, then hit neural mix mute drums. I've edited pads 2, 3, and 4 to reflect the bass, harmonics, and vocals. Now with that done, there are also other ways in deploying your stems. I'll show you neural mix echo out and EQ. Since I'm limited with certain buttons on the Flex 4, I'm going to want either of these options. So in the same MIDI menu, if I hit Shift and Headphone Q1, I've programmed it to trigger this very setting. Toggle neural mix mute solo echo out. You'll also see that the target is under mixer, as this certain function is agnostic to what deck you're on. So with this enabled, if I mute certain stems, they echo out accordingly. Now if I want stems EQ, like featured on the Flex 10, Rev 5 or Groove 6, I could MIDI map either pot to control the stem, but that would mean I lose the EQ function. So here's how to create that toggle. Going back to the MIDI menu again, I'll hit Shift and Headphone Q1. I'll set the target to Deck 1 and set the action to Toggle Neural Mix EQ. Then I do the same thing for Deck 2. Now I've got stems EQ toggled for both decks. As you can see, the buttons do not flash when the stems EQ is in use, as it doesn't naturally support it. However, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.